Friends, today we are going to discuss lesson number 4, that is simple equations, and the first topic what I am discussing with you, it is of class 6, that is variable, what is required for this chapter. So what is variable? A variable takes a different numeric values, its values not fixed. For example, x, y, z, l, m, n, etc. are variable, and you can see the examples I have taken here. X equal to 1, then 4x plus 5 equal to 9, x equal to 5, then 4x plus 5 equal to 25, x equal to 15, then 4x plus 5 equal to 65. Now when equation, I am discussing about this equation is given, then x equal to 15 is a solution. Because see, if I keep x equal to 15, 15 for the 60, 60 plus 5, 65. So I will compare LHS, this is our LHS, and this is our RHS, right? This is LHS, this is RHS. Always I compare LHS and RHS. If they are equal, then it is a solution. If they are not equal, it is not a solution. So x equal to 1 is not a solution of this equation. You can check. When I keep x equal to 1 into 4, 4 plus 5, 9. And it is, you can see here, what is the value of RHS? 65. So they are not equal. So it is not a solution. X equal to 5 I am keeping here, so it comes here, 4 5 is 20, 20 plus 5 25, so 25 is not equal to 65. You can see they are not equal, so it is not a solution. So now come on the main point, that is now definition of an equation. What is equation? An equation is a condition on a variable, and the condition is that two expressions should have an equal value. Note that at least here be careful, at least one of the two expressions must contain variable. There should be one variable. I mean to say, see, this variable should be there either this side, either on the left hand side, either on the RHS or LHS. You can see here I given the example, 4x plus 5 is equal to 65 is an equation. But suppose if any student is writing like this here, 4 plus 5 is equal to 65 or like this, so it is not an equation. So 4x plus 5 is a 65 is an equation. Or if anybody write here 3 plus 7 equal to 10. So it is all are numeric values, there is no variable. So it is not an equation. Right here, I think we have done this in class 6 also, and there should be compulsory, equal to sign is compulsory. Equal to sign is compulsory. The less than, greater than, all these signs are not allowed. Now, convert the statement to an equation. Equation short form I am writing EQ and up n. Now you can see the sum of I have to convert this statement to an equation. The sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. This is the statement. Now, solution. You can see 3 times x means 3x and sum means plus 11 equal to 32. So, it is an equation on the base of this given statement. Understood here? Now, let me discuss this once again with you. In short, I will discuss just now. What is variable? Variable means here different. A variable takes a different numeric values and whose values are changing. For example, x, y, z are different variables and their value is not fixed, which goes on changing. It is called variable. You can see I have taken different values of x. X equal to 1, x equal to 5, x equal to 15. So there are different values of x, and so it is a variable. Here x is a variable, and I have taken an equation here 4x plus 5 equal to 65. So what is the solution of this equation? 15 is a solution, and x equal to 1 and 5 are not a solution. You can keep the value only in this equation and check. LHS and RHS will equal for this value, and for this value it will be equal. Now come on this equation definition already I discussed with you. Two expressions having equation sign are equal, but it should have one variable, at least one side. At least one variable should be there. It can have two also, or more also, but at least minimum one variable should be there. Now what is the example of the, I have given an example here, 4x plus 5 is equal to 65 is an example of an equation. Now convert, this type of questions are there, so I am discussing one example with you. Convert statement to equation. The sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. So you can see 3 times x means 3x plus 11, 3x, and as sum means plus 11 is 32. Okay here. Now yes, example number 2, convert an equation to a statement. Previously what we have done? We have done statement to equation. Now we are converting equation to a statement. So it is given here x minus 5 equal to 9. So taking away 5 from x gives 9. So to write here, taking away 5 from x gives 9. Taking away 5 from x gives 9. So it is easy to understand. Now example number 3 I am discussing you. Consider the situation. Raju's father age is 5 more than 3 times Raju's age. Raju's father age is 44-year-old. Set up an equation. So we have to set up an equation on the basis of this given condition. So how to set up an equation? Just see the steps. Let's Raju's age equal to 5. Let's Raju's age equal to y. Or you can write here. Sometimes in some books they prefer to write let's Raju's present age. What they write? Let's Raju's present age. Let Raju's present age is equal to y. So 3 times Raju's age will be how much? 3 multiplied by y, 3y. Now Raju's father age will be how much? Now according to question, it is given here. You can see here the Raju's father age is 5 more than 3 times. So it comes here 3y plus 5. Right here 3y plus 5. So Raju's father age given in the question, what is the age given here? 44 years. So Raju's father age in the question given here 44. It is 44 years. 44 years. So what is the equation will become now? See, this is the information given in the question, and this is equation we form here. Expression, it is actually expression. So when we equate to expression, it becomes an equation. So 3y plus 5 equal to 44 is an equation on the basis of this given condition. Right here, let me explain once again to you from the question. Example number 2, convert the equation to a statement. Right here, now this is the equation given here, x minus 5 equal to 9. So taking away 5 from x gives 9. I am removing something from the x and I get a value 9. So it is clear to you. Now in example number 3, consider the situation. Raju's father age is 5 more than 3 times Raju's age. Right here, now Raju's father age is 44-year-old. Set up an equation on the basis of the given condition. We have to make an equation. Now let Raju's present age equal to y. Or you can write let's Raju's age equal to y. Meaning is same. 3 times Raju's age is equal to, will be 3 times means 3 multiplied by y. It is understood now. Now let's Raju's father age. So therefore Raju's father age. Why it is given 3y. You can see Raju's father age is 5 more than 3 times Raju's age. So on the basis of this statement, I am writing this expression. So 3y plus 5. So therefore Raju's father age in question given here 44 years. So when I equate these two, so it becomes 3y plus 5 equal to 44. So it is an equation formed here now. Understood here? Now I am coming on exercise 4.1. These are the problems which are going to be discussed in exercise 4.1. In question number 1, I am going to discuss with you part 1, part 5, part 8, part 10, part 11. In question number 2, A, B, C and F. Here in 4th, question 3 is not to be discussed. It is we have cancelled here. And question number 4, 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 6th and 9. And question number 5, 1, 5, 7, 8. and question number 6 second and fourth. And why we have done like this here? Because CBSE has given the instruction to decrease the syllabus, but we are not removing the question, we are decreasing some of the parts, bits of the some of the parts of the question, and we have discussed with all the parallel teachers, means all the colleagues who are taking mathematics in your classes. So it is exercise 4.1. I am going to discuss this only problem with you. Okay, here 4.1, this is the equation given here, x plus 3 equal to 0. We have to verify value x equal to 3 is a solution or not. So if it is a solution, we will say yes. If it is not, we will say no. So x equal to 3, I kept value here. Now in LHS, you can see. So LHS 3 plus 3 equal to 6 and RHS is 0. So they are not equal. So it is not a solution. Right here. Next, fifth part, x minus 7 equal to 1. Value x equal to 8. So 8 minus 7 equal to 1 and 1 and 1 are equal. So LHS equal to RHS. Yes. So it is a solution. Now 5x equal to 25. So value x equal to minus 5. So I kept value here now minus 5. So 5 into minus 5, it is minus 25. Here RHS is 25. So they are not equal. So it is no. Now 10th part, m by 3 equal to 2. Value m equal to 0. So 0 by 3 and here 2. So 0 and 2 are not equal. So it is no. M by 3 equal to 2. Value m equal to 6. Now you can see here, I kept value in LHS here. So it comes here 6 by 3. So I cancel here and the value is 2. And here RHS is already 2. So both are equal. So answer is yes. Okay, here. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. It is like a previous same question only, but here values are given in the bracket. Here values are given in the bracket. You can see n plus 5 equal to 19. So I have to check for n equal to 1. So I kept n equal to 1. So I will write first LHS, RHS. So what is LHS? N plus 5. I kept a value n equal to 1. So 1 plus 5 equal to 6. And here you can see it is 19. Both are not equal. So n equal to 1 is not a solution. You can see now 7n plus 5 equal to 19. N equal to bracket given here minus 2. Keep a value here minus 2. So it comes minus 9 here value. And here value comes 19 already given here. They are not equal. So n equal to minus 2 is not a solution. You can see here n equal to minus 2 is not a solution. Now C part, 7n plus 5 equal to 19. Now n equal to 2, we have to check the value. So I kept value n equal to 2, 7 to the 14, 14 plus 5, 19. You can see RHS, what is the value over 19? Both are equal. So n equal to 2 is a solution of equation. Now F part, 4p minus 3 equal to 13. Now what is the value given here in the bracket p equal to 0? So keep a value p equal to 0 in it. Where is the expression here in LHS side? So 4 into 0. So 0 minus 3 is minus 3, here 13. So you can see the answer. They are not equal. So what I wrote here, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore P equal to 0 is not a solution of the equation. It is like a previous question only. Only difference is there. Here values are given in the bracket. I am discussing that question only, which I said you in starting. I will discuss with you. Number 4. Question number 3 already we cancelled. So question number 4, write the equation for the following statements. So it is comes here statement. It is statements here. The sum of x and 4 is 9. So what is the answer here? X plus 4 equal to 9. Now next, second statement, 2 subtracted from y is 8. So y minus 2 equal to 8. Third, 10 times a equal to 70. So 10 multiplied by a, so 10a equal to 70. Fourth one, the number b is divided by 5 gives 6. So you can see it is b. It is b divided by 5 equal to 6. Right here. Now, sixth part, 7 times m plus 7 gets u 77. 7 times n, 7 times n plus 7 gets 77. Now, 10th, if you add 3 to 1/3 of z, you get 30. So 1/3 of z means z by 3 plus 3 equal to 30. So I just now discussed with you question number 4. Let me discuss once again with you. You can see sum of x and 9, so plus will come. Here it is subtraction, subtracted, so minus will come. Be careful while 2 is subtracted, so always from that we take number in front, so y minus 2 is equal to 8, and 10 times means multiplies, times comes be multiplied and divided with b by 5, and here both are there, addition and multiplication both are there. You can see here also division and addition both are there. So be careful, read the statement 2 or 3 times and try to write and try to solve it properly. I think question number 1, 2 and 3 not but 4 I discussed with you. I think it is clear to you the doubts of question number 1, 2 and 4. I complete my discussion over here. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.